Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am here, your drawing teacher from Muhammadi Girls School for class 5. Today I am taking your class 5 and our subject is drawing and the topic is object drawing. Before starting, I have some instructions for all of you. Kindly follow them. Be attentive and listen very carefully. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. That will help us to mark your attendance. You all must attend the class because 100% attendance is compulsory and your attendance will be marked. Take care of time for attending class. Home tasks should be done in your fair drawing copy. If there is any disconnectivity during class, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any question, then ask in chat box. Keep practice copy, drawing book, and stationery box along with you. So let's start our today's topic. Now, here are the tests for drawing. Here are the some tips for drawing. When you will start drawing, this point will be helpful for you. First point is you must have your complete drawing kit with you. It means all of you must have your color box, stationery box, and with you, which you keep pencil, eraser, ruler, sharpener, and color. So the first tip is you must have your drawing kit with you. Next, use a sharp pencil for drawing. When you will draw any object, your pencil must be sharp. Okay, बेटा आपकी pencil sharp होनी चाहिए जब भी आप कोई भी sketching करें. Next, drawing should be clean, clear, and neat. Each picture should be drawn in the correct size. What is the meaning? It means you will measure it any diagram correctly. Then you will draw it in correct proportion. That means you must draw picture at the center of the page. Okay. Now the next is color should be neat, clean, and clear. Now draw a box around the picture. When you will complete it your picture, then you will draw a box around the picture. These are the tips. These are the helpful for you. Okay, ये आपकी ड्राइंग की टिप्स है. जब भी आपने ड्राइंग या स्केचिंग करनी है तो ये टिप्स आपने जरूर फॉलो करनी है. Okay, these tips should be followed. You must have your complete drawing kit with you. Got it? Next, use a sharp pencil for drawing. Next, drawing should be clean, clear, and neat. Each picture should be drawn in the correct size. Color should be neat, clear, and clean. Okay, be careful about coloring. Draw a box around the picture. So these are the tips. Take a screenshot. Now, what is object drawing? Okay, students, what is object drawing? Do you know about what is object drawing? Okay, object drawing is a picture created with a pen, markers, crayons, or other tools of a thing that can be seen. Okay, so object drawing क्या है? Object drawing is a picture created with pen, markers, crayons, or other tools. जो भी हम ड्राइंग बनाते हैं उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? पेन, मार्कर्स, क्रियॉन्स और अदर टूल्स और अ थिंग दैट कैन बी सीन. जो हम चीजें ड्रॉ देख सकते हैं उसे ही हम ड्रॉ करते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग. ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग इज अ पिक्चर क्रिएटेड विद पेन, मार्कर्स, क्रियॉन्स और अदर टूल्स ऑफ अ थिंग दैट कैन बी सीन. Now, introduction. Okay, beta, I have an interesting activity. Okay, I am going to introduce today's topic by asking riddles. Okay, मैं आपसे riddles पूछूंगी. What is riddles? Riddles पहेलियां. ठीक है, मैं आपसे riddles पूछूंगी and if you know the answer so you can use chat box. Okay, so now the first riddle is which thing is made from wood? Okay, which thing is made from wood and used to play cricket? कौन सी चीज वुड से बनी हुई है और क्रिकेट में यूज करते हैं हम प्ले करते वक्त? ओके, हरी अप, इट इज सो इजी. Which thing is made from wood? Okay, first riddle is which thing is made from wood and used to play cricket? Okay, hurry up. If you know the answer, yes, bad and bad use करते हैं and other thing bad and hurry up. Good. All students good. Kaina, Tariba, Ima. Okay, Alina, Munazza, Badiha, Insha, Lanesh, Nimra, very good. All students, very good. Give correct answer, bat and ball. Okay. Which thing is made from wood and used to play cricket? So the answer is bat and ball. Very good. Now the next riddle is, okay, which thing we use to keep fruit? Which thing we use to keep fruit? हम फ्रूट रखने के लिए क्या चीज यूज करते हैं? इट्स सो इजी, हरी अप. यस, फ्रूट बास्केट. आयशा, अरीबा, इरफान, इमा खान, माहीन, अनाया, वेरी गुड. Yes, fruit basket. Now the answer is fruit basket. Which thing we use to keep fruit? Now the answer is fruit basket. Very good. Next, which fruit is fleshy? It has one large seed and yellow in color. Okay, it is yellow in color and large seed. Only one large seed and it is fleshy. Okay, it is a summer fruit. Hurry up, it's so simple. Yes, mango. Do you like mango? Yes, all students gave correct answer. Very good. Yes, so the answer is mango. Yes, very good, mango. So which fruit is fleshy and has one large seed and yellow in color? So the answer is mango. Now the last riddle is, which fruit name starts from G? Okay, which fruit name starts from G and it has green and purple in color. Okay, it is also a fruit and its name starts from G and its color green and purple. It has green and purple color. Hurry up. Yes, grapes. Madiha, Aisha, Anaya. Yes. If you know the answer, you can use chat box. Hurry up. Maheen, Ariba. Yes. Ima Khan. Yes. All Hafsa, Zainab. All students give correct answer. Yes. Very good. Grapes. So, which fruit name starts from G and it has green and purple color? So the answer is grapes. Now, here are resource material. Okay, when you will start any picture, you must have your sharp pencil. Okay, your pencil must be sharp. You must have your eraser, sharpener. You must have your color pencils with sharp nib. Okay, now ruler. Okay, ruler. Next, practice copy and your drawing copy. Okay, and your drawing book, and your drawing book is Honeybee Art and Handwork. Okay, your book is Honeybee Art and Handwork. Okay, these are the resource material. Okay, you must have your pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, book, practice copy, and your color pencil. Okay, now the next topic is object drawing. Our topic is object drawing, and we are going to draw. Today we are going to draw bat and ball, fruit basket, mango, grapes. These four things we are going to draw. Okay, bat and ball. Here are some steps to draw bat and ball. First of all, draw a slant line. Okay, first of all, draw a slant line. Slant means तिरछी line. सबसे पहले आपने इस तरह तिरछी line draw करनी है. As you can see on your screen. First of all, draw a slant line, and around the slant line, draw two slanted line of 6 centimeter. How many centimeter? 6 centimeter. Okay, draw two lines on both sides of the slant line. 6 centimeter. Then what will you do? Join the line with the end. Join the line with the end of 1 centimeter. आपने ये दो slant line को end से join करना है और ये line should be, this line should be 1 centimeter. Then draw two lines on both sides. Draw two lines. This line should be slightly curved, 0.5 centimeter. How many centimeter? 0.5 centimeter. Then draw two lines on the top of the bat. Then draw two lines on the top of the bat of 3 centimeter. Okay, its line should be 3 centimeter. First of all, in first step, what will you do? You will draw a slant line, tirsky line, and around this slant line, you will draw two slanted lines Draw two slant line of 6 centimeters. Join the slant line with the end of 1 centimeter. Then draw two lines on the top of the bed of 3 centimeter with two curved lines. Then next in last step, step number 3, complete the picture and draw a small circle of 2 centimeter for the ball. These are the steps. Follow these steps. Now you can see on your screen, it is the completely picture of bat and ball. आपको इस तरह ही अपनी कॉपी में बैट एंड बॉल ड्रॉ करना है. इट इज द कंप्लीट पिक्चर ऑफ बैट एंड बॉल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट object is fruit basket. Steps to draw fruit basket. Okay. First of all, draw an oval. Draw an oval with a width of 15 centimeter and length of 12 centimeter. Then draw another oval inside in. Draw an oval with the distance of 4 centimeter for the rim. Draw different fruit in the basket. Design the basket with the help of different lines to give final touch. This is another way. First of all, draw an oval. Draw an oval with a width of 15 centimeter, with a width of 15 centimeter and length 12 centimeter. Then draw another oval, as you can see on your screen. Draw another oval of inside the circle. First of all, draw an oval with a width of 15 centimeter. यहाँ सिर्फ 15 centimeter होना चाहिए और length 12 centimeter. Got it? Draw another oval inside it. Now, draw an oval with the distance of 4 centimeter for the rim. Then draw different fruit in the basket like apple, banana, okay, banana, orange, grapes with a circle shape, apple, mango. Next, design the basket with horizontal and vertical line. Design the basket with the help of different line to give final touch. Draw horizontal and vertical line. This is fruit basket. Now this is the another way to draw steps. Draw fruit basket. Steps to draw fruit basket. First of all, draw a horizontal oval at 12 centimeter. ये एक और तरीका है fruit basket बनाने का. Okay. Draw a horizontal oval at 12 centimeter. Make a large curve at 7 centimeter at the end of the oval. सबसे पहले आपने ये oval draw करना है 12 centimeter और इसी oval के नीचे एक curve line draw करनी है. Make a large curve at 7 centimeter from the end of the oval down and back up to the end. Next step, make a small ring at the bottom of the basket to make a base. Next step, step number 2, draw a parallel line oval around the rim. This is the rim. Got it? For the distance of 0.3 centimeter. इन दोनों लाइंस के बीच में डिस्टेंस 0.3 सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए. On the top of the basket, make two curved lines from the middle of the oval at 12 centimeter. On the top of the basket, make two curved lines from the middle of the oval at 12 centimeter. Okay. Now next step number 3. What will you do in step number 3? Step number 3, inside the basket, add double curved line. Okay, make a line inside the fruit basket. Inside the basket, add double curved line vertically and horizontally about 1 centimeter. Draw horizontal line. Okay, this is horizontal line and this is vertical line. Draw vertical line 1.3 centimeter, double curved line, and this vertical line 1.3 centimeter. So both lines should be 1.3 centimeter. Inside the basket, add double curved line vertically and horizontally about 1.3 centimeter. In the next last step, draw a different fruits. Okay, draw a different fruits in the basket and color it. Now the third object is steps to draw mango. Do you like mango? Okay. Steps to draw mango. Here are the steps, and this is the picture stepwise. It is also in your book. First of all, draw an oval shape of 6 centimeter. सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? Draw an oval shape of 6 centimeter. This oval shape should be 6 centimeter. Then draw 2 lines like that. Draw then with 2 lines of like that, with 2 lines of 4 centimeter. Okay, first of all draw an oval shape of 6 centimeter. सबसे पहले आपने oval shape draw करनी है 6 centimeter की. Then draw a line, a straight line, and with this straight line, and this straight line should be 1 centimeter. With this straight line, draw 2 lines like that of 4 centimeter. How many centimeter? 4 centimeter. Then draw 2 lines on the top of the mango for stalk of 3 centimeter. Then draw the shape of leaf. Okay, then draw the shape of leaf on both side of 4 centimeter. सबसे पहले आपने oval shape draw करनी है 6 centimeter की. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर ही आपने एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है 1 सेंटीमीटर की. एंड विद दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ 2 lines. Okay, draw 2 lines like that 4 centimeter. Then draw 2 lines on the top of mango for stalk of 3 centimeter. Then in next steps draw the shape of the leaf on both side. आपने दोनों तरफ leaf की shape draw करनी है with curved line. Okay, and this line 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter की कर्व लाइन से आपने लीफ ड्रॉ करने हैं ऑन बोथ साइड. मेक द लीफ वाइडर टुवर्ड द टॉप. टॉप से जो लीफ है थोड़े से चौड़े होने चाहिए, वाइडर, एंड नैरो टुवर्ड द बेस, और थोड़े से तंग होने चाहिए, मिले हुए होने चाहिए, नैरो टुवर्ड द बेस. ओके, तो आपने लीफ किस तरह बनाने हैं? मेक द लीफ वाइडर टुवर्ड द टॉप and narrow toward the base. Draw small lines inside the leaf like that and complete the picture and color it. This is the steps to draw mango. Take a screenshot and follow these steps when you will draw mango in your copy. Okay, don't need to write these steps. Only by the help of these steps you will draw mango in your copy. First of all, draw an oval shape of 6 centimeter with 2 lines of 4 centimeter. Draw 2 lines on the top of mango for stalk of 3 centimeter. Draw the shape of the leaf on both sides of 4 centimeter. Make the leaf wider toward the top and narrow toward the base. Draw small lines like that. Draw small lines inside the leaf and complete the picture. As you can see on your screen, this is the colorful picture of mango. Like that, you will draw in your copy, in your drawing copy. This is the picture of mango. Observe it very carefully. Okay, you will do yellow color in mango, green color in a stalk and leaf. This is the colorful picture of mango. Take a screenshot. Now the next and the last object is grapes. Steps to draw grapes. These are the steps. Okay, and the step-wise picture also given in this slide. Now the first steps. What will you do in first step? First step में आपको क्या करना है? Draw the sketch of stem and leaf of 5 centimeter. Okay. Draw the sketch of stem. This is a stem and leaf. Draw the sketch of stem and leaf of 5 centimeter. Then draw the outline of an oval shape of 6 centimeter. Then draw the outline of an oval shape of 6 centimeter. Draw the outline of an oval shape of 6 centimeter. Then draw the sketch of stem and leaf. This is slightly curved leaf, not a simple straight line. And this leaf is called compound leaf, zigzag shape. Draw inside the oval, draw bunches for the grapes. Draw the bunches of grapes with the circle shape. Draw the bunches of grapes and then complete the shape of a stem and leaf and draw wings. Okay, like that. Draw wings. ये जो अंदर छोटी छोटी से small lines है इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Wings. Draw wings inside the leaf and complete the picture and color it. In first step, draw the outline of an oval of 6 centimeter and draw the sketch of stem and leaf of 5 centimeter. Draw the bunches of grapes inside the oval with round shapes. Then complete the shape of stem and leaves and draw wings inside the leaf. Then complete the picture. By following this step, you will easily draw grapes in your copy. Now you can see the colorful picture of grapes. You can do green color and also you will do purple color in the picture of grapes. Okay, draw and circle the grapes. Draw and color the grapes with purple color or green color pencil and brown in the stalk and green in the leaf. This is the compound leaf. Okay, ये आप देख सकते हैं अपनी स्क्रीन पे. इन लीव्स को कंपाउंड लीव्स कहते हैं. इनमें zigzag शेप होती है. सिंपल प्लेन आउटलाइन नहीं होती इन लीफ की. ओके, so grass has compound leaves and you will draw by the help of circle shaped bunches of grapes and you will do green and purple color as your choice. This is the colorful picture. Take a screenshot. Okay, conclusion. Today what we have learned, आज हमने क्या सीखा draw करना? Bat and ball. Okay, today we have learned how to draw bat and ball, mango, fruit basket and grapes. Okay, so today our topic we have learned bat ball, mango, fruit basket and grapes. Okay, now this is your home task. Are you ready for your home task? This is your today home task. This homework you will do in your book and also in your copy. In this question number 1, draw bat and ball and color it. Your question number 1 is draw bat and ball and color it in drawing copy and book page number 1. Question number 2, draw a mango and grapes and color it in drawing copy and book page number 10. Question number 3, draw a fruit basket in drawing copy and color it on book page number 3. This is the today's homework. Question number 1. आपने ये वर्किंग अपनी बुक में भी करनी है और अपनी कॉपी में भी करनी है. Got it? Question number 1, draw bat and ball and color it. Okay, in your drawing copy and book page number 1. Question number 2, draw a mango. Draw a mango in one page, draw mango and the next page draw grapes. Got it? Question number 1, draw a mango and grapes and color it and also you will draw in your book page number 10. Take a screenshot. This is your today's homework. Question number 3, draw a fruit basket in drawing copy and also you will do this work in your book page number 3. So bat and ball present in your book page number 1. Mango in copy, first page draw mango and the next page draw grapes. And mango and grapes in your book page number 10. And fruit basket in your book page number 3. This is your today's homework. Hurry up, take a screenshot. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and a very nice day.